The TechHome Rating System is a program developed by CEA to measure a home's technology infrastructure. That technology infrastructure is known to some people as structured wiring. Many people aren't able to see that structured wiring because it's behind the walls in their home. But the structured wiring performs a function just as important as the electrical system or even the plumbing system. The Consumer Electronics Association's TechHome Rating System, also referred to as THRS, is a powerful new, nationally recognized build-to specification for residential technology infrastructure. Because structured wiring creates such a wealth of digital possibilities for homeowners, builders and integrators have ample opportunities to attach products to this infrastructure. THRS also ensures that structured wiring is future-proofed, reducing the likelihood of costly retrofitting down the road. The first and most important step to consider when building or retrofitting a home for a TechHome rating is planning. Interview the homeowner to determine the homeowner's needs and assess the homeowner's lifestyle. Only then can you properly determine the technology solutions that should be incorporated into their home.
What we do is not put together an off-the-shelf solution. They're custom. The solutions fit the client's wants, needs, and desires, as well as the home.
It's very important to really think about the structural wiring, the infrastructure in your home when you're laying it out. And basically, a professional installer, along with this rating system, can really help you gauge that. The key is really narrowing it down to the specific applications that you want to support in each room or throughout the entire house.
Today, it's imperative that you work with a custom integrator. It is our job 7 days a week, 365 days a year to understand technology and be a mentor for our customers. You want to work with somebody who really understands the entire spectrum of what's possible.
By offering homes with advanced structured wiring and a TechHome rating, builders can much more easily show and explain how their homes will enable digital lifestyles. THRS's 3 levels eliminate the complexities, difficulties, and frustrations builders experienced in the past when trying to add home technology to their offerings. THRS also tells prospective homeowners that the builder is forward-thinking in anticipating the digital needs and desires of the 21st century home buyer. More installers see the potential of THRS in all of these areas.
Builders really are focused on home construction, and for them to understand the realm of what's possible with technology would require them to have a second full-time job.
Being conservative, having a conservative approach, and doing repeatable solutions helps the relationship with the integrator and the builder immensely. It's all about trust, especially when you're doing a project that's going to last a long time.
During the planning phase, it is important to educate the homeowner about the various entertainment, safety, and control possibilities available for their home. THRS makes this job easier by grouping all home technologies into 6 categories: home theater or media room, networking and communications, multi-room audio and video, complete home control, lighting control and shades, and safety and security. Once the planning process is successfully completed, it becomes much easier to clearly identify the systems and products that need to be included in the home design.
The guidelines in the TechHome Rating System, it gives us very, very specific wiring needs for the products that we are installing.
The TechHome Rating System is important to us because it helps us communicate what it is that we are doing and are planning to do. It's actually a pretty well-defined set of options for homeowners to choose from, almost in a menu format. How much connectivity would you like to have, and what is that connectivity capable of doing now and later?
The 3 TechHome rating levels take into account the technology wants and needs of the homeowner, as well as the size of the home. The levels differ in terms of their wiring requirements, functional considerations, and the number of standard rooms identified for wiring runs. Bronze provides the basic technology infrastructure needed in today's homes, such as the distribution of TV and video signal to multiple rooms and networking and communications capability. Gold expands to more rooms and adds advanced functionality, such as a multi-room audio distribution system for listening to music in rooms throughout the house. Platinum, the top ranking, further enhances functionality by including a home office space with full networking and communications for work style as well as lifestyle convenience. Each provides requirements for safety and security, lighting control, and home control.
We advise customers in the space to spend more money on the infrastructure up front and a little less money on the electronics if necessary, because then they can always get more and more electronics as they go forward if the infrastructure is there. So again, every dollar you spend on the infrastructure has typically a very good payback from a value perspective to the end user, the contractor, and even the builder in marketing their homes and solution sets.
Technology infrastructure can be extended to outdoor zones such as patios, pool areas, and outdoor kitchens. Through THRS, the integrator can position the builder to capitalize on selling outdoor entertainment.
Structured wiring is important today because without it, the ability to send music around your home, distribute television, video, data, really becomes a major hurdle or almost impossible in some applications. The proper design for the infrastructure in your home is probably the most critical decision a consumer, homeowner, builder can make today in the 21st century.
The TechHome Rating System is very, very important. It gives us concrete words to work with the homeowner so we can actually put this installed into the house correctly to the homeowner's needs.
There are unique considerations with many installations, such as interior design or architectural challenges, or a need to achieve LEED H or NAHB green certification. Communication with a builder, architect, interior designer, and the homeowner is crucial before any wire is laid.
If the proper wiring is in the wall, perhaps at a thermostat location, a networking wire, which is not typically done in a typical install, it will allow for a communicating thermostat, and that can save you significant dollars per month, create green applications and selling opportunities around expanded automation. HVAC and lighting are two of the most popular applications we see in the automation space, and increasingly those subsystems are being linked together into a cohesive energy management or home automation solution in the residential market.
In a market more focused on value than perhaps ever before, a TechHome rating is a useful indicator to the home buyer that a home is tech ready from day one. Through THRS and a qualified installer, home buyers will know the kinds of products and applications that are available to maximize the potential of their THRS infrastructure. Over the coming months and years, the installer can let the home buyer know about additional products and services that have been developed that can utilize their home's structured wiring. The TechHome Rating System assures consumers that their home includes 21st century infrastructure. At the same time, it provides the homeowner with an upgrade path as technology changes going forward. A TechHome rated home gives the homeowner convenience, control, and comfort. It allows for today's technology to be easily added to their home. For the installer, THRS is the path to strong relationships with builders, architects, and interior designers, as well as tech-friendly homeowners. With a TechHome rating, the digital home truly becomes a reality.